In this video, I'm going to be putting the other cards together and doing some embellishing. Stay tuned. Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to finish putting the cards together, and we're going to do some embellishing. I found this whole big long string of washi tape, I guess. And I've just never used it. But then I measured it out and I'm going to put it inside. And would you believe that I got enough for all 9 cards? That was a pretty cool stroke there. So we're going to put that on the insides. And then I have all these Nuvo Drops. It's a toss-up, which I'm going to use, but there's so many different colors to choose from here. So let's get started. Oh, I am using the January 2021 sheetload of cards from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al. Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. In case I run out, I got another piece. All right, so we've got this one almost done. I don't want too much white at the bottom. Just kind of have to eyeball it. Okay, I did the same thing here, but it shouldn't be too noticeable. When I put the pattern paper on, I didn't pay attention to the orientation of the words, but if you won't tell, I won't. And this goes over here. Then we've got Minnie right in the middle. Did I not cut this one out? No, I didn't. Oh, okay. So let's cut this real quick. I'm using my punch. This is the older one from Stampin' Up. Okay. One more. Praying that my runner holds out. Okay, I think that is a really cute sentiment. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the inside first. Like I said, I thought it was great that I just had enough for all 9 cards. And I think it matches pretty well. How's that? Cute. This little backing release paper is a little fiddly here. Okay. Getting close here. Haste makes waste. I guess. There we go. All right. Okay, there's that. Now let's put some Nuvo Drops on. I'm going to go with the raspberry pink on the up here. Because it's almost a purple, isn't it? Yeah. It's kind of pretty. And then I think I will put pink on the flag. There we go. How's that? Cute, cute. Okay, so these are my two color choices. And the placing of the sentiment will kind of tell me where I'm going to put the Nuvo Drops, if that makes sense. See, like over here, I'll put this one here. One, oh, there we go. 2, 3. Okay. Well, you have got the idea of how I'm going to put the Nuvo Drops for extra decoration, and the inside of the card with the daisies. If you like to see more of this type of content, I do this every month. Please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. I hope this has brought you some value. Thank you so very much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.